Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, hi, I'm Lekya, and please consider subscribing to my channel and click on the bell notification to get notified whenever I post, and it would mean a lot to me. Actually, I shopped a lot since 1.5 months. I went little crazy on shopping. So in today's video, I want to show everything that I got. These are the products that I got. I know there are too many, but they are skincare, makeup, hair care that I bought from Nykaa Hot Pink sale. And I have been using some of the products in last couple of days. So I will let you know my first impressions as well. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. This time I purchased very less makeup, so let's go with makeup category first. And the first one is the K-Beauty foundation. I have heard such good reviews about this foundation, so I thought I'll give it a shot in this sale. And yeah, look at the packaging. It's so like sleek and neat and very minimalistic. I really like this packaging. I thought the shade would be a little dark for me, but I have used it a couple of times and it really matched, like almost matched to my skin tone. And I really like this foundation already. I have used it like 2 to 3 times until now. It gives a very good skin-like finish and super lightweight and gives a very good nice coverage as well. So I would highly recommend this one. I'm already obsessed with this one. And next from the K-Beauty are these 2 nail paints and super cute nail shades. Actually they are pastels, and this is kind of a nude and pastel. I don't know, I really love both of the shades, and this is my favorite color. And by the way, I'll mention all the shades, the links in the description bar below. Do check them out. And I got this K-Beauty matte lip crayon as a freebie. How cool is that? And I really like the formulation, but the shade is a little bit light for me. Like, this is the shade. It's too nude for my skin tone. I have to top it up with another lipstick, so that's kind of sad, but I can work with it. So yeah. And the next 2 products are from PAC. One is their PAC Spotlight Concealer. I have never tried this concealer, so I got it, but it's kind of a little bit light for me, which is sad. And the packaging and everything is so nice. I really like the consistency and the formulation of it, but I would go for a a darker shade than this one. And the second product from PAC is their Micro Finish Makeup Fixer. I have heard such good reviews about this, and I have been eyeing on this since very long time, but I don't know why I didn't got it. And finally I got this in the sale. I'm really obsessed with this one because see, it has a very like seamless I shouldn't talk while spraying. See the spray, it is so seamless. It is so light and breezy, and I like that feeling, and it sets the makeup very well. I highly recommend this one. I got 2 products from Colorbar. These are these 2, and I have to mention this. I got this purely based on Malvika Sitlani's recommendation. She raves about these 2 products, so they're on sale and I got them. First one is this Colorbar Cellular Dry Oil, and look at this packaging. It's super pretty. Look at this gorgeousness in a bottle. It's super pretty, and I'm really in love with this packaging, the color and everything. So I haven't tried it, but I will let you know once I try them. I will definitely use them in my tutorials, so stay tuned. Second one is this Zoom and Whoosh Mascara by Colorbar. I haven't tried this one yet. I will try it and I'll let you know soon. And the brand Colorbar is killing with their packaging. They're super fancy and pretty. And I got this Drama Blast lipstick as a freebie. Look at this lipstick. It is so glittery and shimmery. I don't know if I use this or not, but as a lipstick junkie, I should own at least 1 lipstick like this. It is super fancy. I also got this Colorbar nail remover as a freebie. Next I got this e.l.f. Camo Concealer Sponge. It is so tiny. I have used it a couple of times, so it is dirty. Just ignore that. But it's nice. I quite like it, and I need to use more often to know how it looks. How it works. So those are the makeup products that I got. So let's move to hair care products. And the first products in the hair category was these two. These are the Love Beauty and Plant shampoo and conditioner. It's their argan and lavender anti-frizz shampoo and conditioner range. Actually my hair was too frizzy. That too, these two are on very good deal on the sale. So I thought I will try them for this time. So I got them. I have been continuously using them since I got them. And surprisingly, I really like them. It's kind of working on my frizzy hair, but I can't promise you that. But I'm observing a little bit change in my hair. So I need to use them for more longer time and then I will let you know. And next one is this Plum Olive and Macadamia hair mask. This is my second tub. I have already used one tub before, like long time back. It is super nourishing and moisturizing to your hair and keeps my hair super soft. So that's the reason I repurchased it again. It's really good one. I highly recommend this one for anyone. Good, if you're looking for a very good hair mask, you can invest in this. I also got this travel kit. It is their Olive and Macadamia Mega Moisture Hair Deo. If you don't want to buy this full version, you can go for the mini version and you can try it for yourself. This kit has two travel size products. One is their shampoo and the other one is their hair mask. I got this kit mainly for the shampoo. I wanted to try this shampoo from a very long time, but I don't want to buy a full size product, so I just got the travel size to test it out. And next one is also a second bottle. This is the BBlunt Hot Shot Heat Protectant Hair Mist. I have used whole bottle before and I got another one because it's really a very good heat protectant, and heat protectant is very important before any hair styling. So if you're skipping on it, just get it. It's really good. That's it for hair care. Let me show you the hair styling tool that I got. Ta-da! I want to buy a hair curler since a very long time. Especially I have been eyeing on the Alan Roman one, and while the Nykaa sale is going on, it is on a discount, so I thought I'll just buy it. So yeah, this is the Alan Roman ceramic hair curler. This is how it looks and the quality is really good. I like the size of the wand too, because for this size we can easily create the beachy waves and we can control the temperature right here. I have used it a couple of times and I really like it, and I want to do more experiments with this one. So yeah, I'm really happy that I got this one. Okay. I got a lot of skincare like face care and body care, so let me show you them quickly. Let's start with body care first. Actually, I heard so many good things about Plum Body Lovin' range, so I got 3 of them. 2 are from their Hawaiian Rumba range and the other one is their Vanilla Vibes range. I freaking love these 3 so much. And let me talk about the Hawaiian Rumba first. This is the Hawaiian Rumba shower gel and this is the Hawaiian Rumba body lotion. They smell just like heaven, and the smell of these are really good. It's super fresh but subtle as well, so I really like this kind of scents. And this is the Vanilla Vibes shower cream. This is more like a cream based. It is more likely for dry skin types, and this is more like a gel consistency. I would say anyone can use it. I mean, anyone can use both of them, but this is a very thick cream and this is like a gel consistency. I really like both the texture, and this Vanilla Vibes one smells exactly like a bakery. Like it's like eating a cookie. It's super yummy. Hawaiian Rumba smells more like a fresh beachy kind of a scent, and the Vanilla Vibes one is just like a bakery and the cookies and cakes and sweets, whatnot. Like it's super yummy and it's super fresh. I highly recommend the Plum Body Lovin' range, and these 3 are my absolute favorites at the moment. And the next body care product is this Sadev body lotion. To be honest, I was super disappointed with this one. Let me tell you why. The packaging and all is very nice. This looks super luxurious. I mean, the bottle looks super luxurious, but the pump, look at this. I got the pump broken. I don't know why this happened. While taking out from the cardboard box, the pump was broken like this. Like, let's put that aside for a minute and let's talk about the formulation. Actually, it's very lightweight and I kind of like the consistency and everything, but what I didn't enjoy with this one is I don't really notice any unique fragrance that it has. I really like my body washes or body like bath and body products to be little fragrant and to smell delicious or yummy or like fresh, like plum body loving range. But I don't see any unique fragrance with this one. It is so basic. It smells like the creams we used to use in our childhood. Why I was disappointed in this product is because we are paying 900 rupees for this bottle and it looks luxurious, but the pump is not working and it is leaking and it's broken, and I didn't pay 900 rupees for this. I got it in a sale for 450. Thank God. For the price we are paying, we definitely expect some more from it, right? So that's why I am disappointed. I won't say that the fragrance is bad or the formulation is bad. The fragrance is quite mild. It just goes away in few seconds, and the formulation is like a very basic body lotion that we use. I don't think I can recommend this one because of the price point, because we can get any other good moisturizer like basic moisturizer for much lower price. So yeah, I wouldn't recommend this one. Speaking of affordable and basic body lotions, I have this Nivea Shea Smooth Body Milk. It's really a very basic body lotion, so it's very affordable too. It retails for 150 rupees and you get it on sale for much cheaper. So I highly recommend this one. It smells like nothing, so it's a very basic moisturizer. So if you are looking for a budget friendly one, just go for this one. I got this Nivea Pearl deodorant. I have used bottles and bottles of it. I just repurchased this one because my older one was finished. So it is a really good deodorant. It has fresh smell and it cancels out the body odor, and affordable too. So I highly recommend this one. Before moving on to skincare, I forgot to show you this Plum Kajal that I got as a freebie for Plum Body Loving range that I bought. It is a really good kajal, so it is a freebie and I already have one. I can keep this as a backup. Moving on to skincare, I have 3 from Dr. Sheth's. This is a new and improved version of the basic brightening cleanser. I really like the Dr. Sheth's basic brightening cleanser. It is super gentle, affordable and suitable for all skin types. So they came up with a new and improved version of it, so I wanted to try it, so I got it. Next I have their Ashwagandha and Alpha Arbutin serum. I really like this serum. I have already used one full bottle of it. So I got this as a backup. It really helps with calming your skin and pigmentation and acne scars and acne marks. So I will do a separate review on this product soon. And the third product from the Dr. Sheth's is this Aloe and Panthenol Hydrating Gel. I have heard such good things about this, and aloe vera is so soothing and it is one of my favorite ingredients, and it also got panthenol in it, so I wanted to give this one a shot, so I got it. And the next one is the Glow Face Serum by Pure by Priyanka. I have heard so many good things about this serum, so I wanted to give this one a shot, so I ordered it. And the packaging is super luxurious. I haven't tried this one. I will test it out for a few days and I will give my complete review, so stay tuned for that. I got the Pure by Priyanka mini face mask as a freebie. It's their facial upturn. I would like to try this. I got 2 products from Face Shop. One is the Rice Water Bright Cleansing Oil. I have already finished one bottle of it like long back, so I ordered another one. It takes off the makeup very easily. It emulsify and clean out the face very effectively, so I highly recommend this one. And the second one from Face Shop is this Calendula Emulsion. The packaging looks super luxurious. I really love the packaging and I have used quite a bit of it, and it is super soothing on the skin. It calmed down my acne and it soothed my skin like after using it for 2 to 3 days. So Calendula is known for soothing properties, so it soothes the skin very well. I highly recommend this to acne prone skin and sensitive skin as well. As I mentioned earlier, aloe vera gel is one of my favorite ingredients, so I got this plum aloe gel. I ran out of my aloe vera gel, so I got this one to try. And I also got this plum green tea face mask as free. I have 2 of these already, so maybe I'll add this into a giveaway or something. I usually use the Tinkle razors for face shaving, but I got bored of them, so I bought these. It's basically buy one get one, so I bought this one. I got this one as a free. It's the Bombay Shaving Company razors. I have to try them. So those are the products that I got, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like it, please give it a big thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell notification, and also follow me on Instagram. I post a lot there too, and I will provide the link in the description bar below. And yeah, that's it, guys. See you in my next video. Until then, bye.
Hey.